From July 2019, I have been bullish on crude oil, saying that the only reason for me for crude oil to go up was the Saudi Aramco IPO, which was ultimately launched in December 2019. And the IPO size was a far cry from the 200 to 300 billion dollars which Prince Mohammed bin Salman, or MBS as he is referred to in the international journalists community. It was a far cry from 200 to 300 billion dollars which MBS wanted. And I said that to make Aramco as a solid investment grade company whose prospects of profitability were bright, the Saudis would deliberately push up crude oil prices and entice investors to invest in the IPO. Sure enough, crude oil prices went up and peaked out by end of December, and they actually started falling from the first week of January. Coming up on your screen is a chart which I have marked with a down arrow in a circle, which shows the peak at approximately $65 a barrel as on 6th of January 2020. Do remember that the COVID-related meltdown in financial markets only came in the month of March 2020. All the other assets were falling only after the lockdowns were announced worldwide, and that happened in starting from the first to third week of March, depending on which country you're looking at. But from the first week of January itself, once the Saudis had done and dusted the Aramco IPO, crude oil prices have been plummeting. Don't be surprised if the Saudis come out with another IPO. Unfortunately for the Saudis, the pandemic hit and no fresh IPOs were possible, but now not only have they announced a fresh IPO, but a euro-denominated bond float has also been announced. So now money is being asked or sucked out of the market, and here again, oil prices are going to be boosted in the usual manner. Which is why, my friends, you're seeing oil move in opposite directions from gold.